I'm at 7472 Painter Road. We're in Oakwood, Ohio. So this is a huge yard. The yard goes way over there, and this whole fenced-in area over here is also included in the lot. So it's kind of funny because the fenced-in area is like sort of separate, but it is part of this lot. So you can see, and it goes way back here. And then this is the yard behind the house. So it's like I said, it's a little separate, but so if you dog run, whatever, huge dog run, or whatever you want to do with this. But yeah, right where the white car is, even to the right, is part of this lot. And then back to those pine trees back there. So lots of space here. That is 480 back there. When you're in the house, you don't really hear it. Newer roof, newer furnace, I believe 2023 on the furnace and AC. The electrical, all that's been updated, including wiring. So we got a front door, and then we've got a utility door. And so the utility door is the main way they get in. We've got a one-car attached garage. You will be very surprised at the amount of space in this house. It is very deceiving. So you walk in, you've got a great mudroom here. Also serves as a laundry room. To the left, we've got the garage. So it's a nice deep garage. That comes with, so that's coming with the house, and that's is not old. And we've got a full bath here. It's a nice big shower, rain head, ceramic tile, slop sink, storage. So you walk up a little bit, we're gonna take a left, go to the kitchen. So eat-in kitchen, there's no formal dining here. Granite counters, white cabinets, got kind of a cool backsplash tile here. Got a nice view out to the backyard. As you can see, it's quiet in here. And then we've got living room, nice big windows there. Can lighting throughout the house, so that's really nice feature. If you're wondering what's this thing to the right, the refrigerator happens to be not in its place, so I'm kind of dancing around it. Sorry about that. This is the second bathroom, again, ceramic tile. Again, really nice shower, pedestal sink. And we've got 2 bedrooms on the first floor. We've got laminate flooring. It's a big one. Both have closets. And we've got a linen closet there. And we'll head upstairs. So, like I said, the house seems kind of typical to this point. As far as space goes, it kind of lays out like a bungalow. It is a bungalow, but we are going to have some additional space you're going to see. So big bedroom up here. They do have some additional AC up here, but there is forced air in this room. But I think because this is all just the roof right here, that it needs a little boost. So this is something you're not going to find in your typical house, your typical bungalow, is this big room here. So they use this as like a workout room, thus the TV. This does have baseboard heat, but office, and there is a window behind that TV, so you could get some natural light in here. You could even throw a couple skylights in here, and it would be really brighten it up. So could be a kid's playroom, office, or keep it a workout room or a combo. So we're about to go down to the basement where I'm going to show you a lot more space because most of the basement is finished. So when we come down, we've got some space here. So it's kind of a nice size room here. And then we've got the utility room. Not real exciting, but there's your newer furnace there. And then this is the big room. This is huge. It's like 28 feet long. But so this is, you know, let your mind wander as far as what you could do with this space. But ton of space in this house, ton of finished space, which is awesome. A couple things to point out. This does have a grinder pump, so where that bathroom is, they couldn't get the drains perfectly aligned. I have one of these, so I understand it. So basically this pumps the wastewater over to the drain, which is right there. And then we've got a sump pump, and we've got tankless water here too, so it's kind of nice. The other thing we've got is a door from the basement directly to the outside. Like I said, yard goes from basically that tree over there to way over in that corner there. So, this area is kind of funny because you're right here, you're right by everything, but yet it's got a semi-rural feel to it. So, you know, if you want land, you want some space, but yet you still want, you know, shopping, all that nearby, this is kind of a great place. I mean, you hop on 480 and you're wherever you want in, you know, regionally in Cleveland, downtown, eastern suburbs, even the west. 480's right here. So very, very convenient place. So, and like I said, but then you get the yard, you get all that, and kind of a rural feel too. So, you know, best of both worlds, city and country. That's all I got.